So in this video, we are going to look at how we do a quiz and submit in Google Classroom, and how we answer a question as well. But we're going to do the quiz first. So get to my classroom, get to the class, classwork, quiz. I have a quiz. So I click on my quiz. Once I click on my quiz, right here, so notice when I flip up, there's nothing there. So I click on my quiz, which is right here. Read the instructions given to you. Always read the instructions given to you. All right. So here is the quiz, and I'm going to respond to the quiz, the questions in the quiz. 2 + 5 is 7. What is your name? And students, you must always write out your full name. Don't write what you want to write. Write out your full name. Don't just write your first name, give to the teacher. Always write out your first name, your full name. What grade are you in? Don't just put you're in grade 7. Put you're in 7H or 7I, 8I. Put the letter as well. Answer your questions carefully. You're finished answering your questions. The button right here that says submit. Once you click submit, it means that your work has gone in. All right. You want to double check and ensure. All right. You click open assignment. If you click on open assignment, what it does is that it's going to show you that your work has been submitted to the teacher already. Sometimes when you want to double check, especially if you're using the tablet, it will ask you for the email address. Say it's granting access. Make sure it's a ministry's email address to check on, because remember, you're just checking to ensure that your work is done. All right. Then you can tap on the button that says mark done. Mark as done because you have done the quiz. Mark as done. Come up again. Mark as done. All right. So it says turned in, submit. So this means that your assignment has been submitted. Okay. Always remember to do that. Good. And that is how you do a quiz using Google Classroom. All right. You can always press your back button on your screen or tap your X's and get out of it, and then you're good to go. These things will keep on popping up, and I realize that students keep getting these messages that says seeking access to something in Google Classroom. Let me point this out to you. If you do not have the ministry's email address there, right now I'm not using the correct email address right here. That's not the email address that I should have there. Always ensure that is the correct email address that you have there. Now, when I scroll up on the work, mark as done, I can still tap that. It says resubmit. I submitted already, so I don't need to resubmit it again. Once you see resubmit, it means that you have submitted the work already. Do not click resubmit. All right. So that is how you do a quiz as it relates to Google Classroom quiz. Now, what if teacher give you a question? And this box, this blue one that is highlighted here, it has a question mark there. And it means that a question has been given. Tap on it. And then it says, you read the question, what is the difference or differences between 2 and 9? And you can write it. I could say the difference is 7. I could also say 1 is a prime number. And the 9 is composite. You can write your answers. I'm just showing you that you can write your answers there. Teacher asks you a question, respond. So you can say 2. I was going to say what 2 is a number there. 2 is a prime number. 9 is a composite number. I could go down and say 2 is an even number. I'm just showing you there's space there. Don't matter how small the box look, type your answer. 2 is an even number. You can scroll down. All right. And 9 is an odd number. Scroll down and do what needs to be done. Don't look at the space and say the space is small. 9 is an odd number. And all right. So you can write your answers, type and go down, press your enter button as much as you want, type your responses. When you're finished, click turn in and then click submit. Once you do that, work submitted, it means that you would have turned in your assignment to the teacher. See, it says turned in and your teacher has received your assignment. All right, thank you.